Ram Ram guys, this is part 2 of Atomic Habit, and in this part we are going to start from chapter 4 of Atomic Habit book. So in this chapter 4, James Clear talks about the laws which will help us to make habits and to uh, remove old habit or bad habits. So first law is make it obvious. Many habit operates on autopilot, like it will operate automatically. You do not have to pay attention to it. So if you want to change this, so you have to make habit card in which you will write what you are doing in whole day and assign mark positive, negative and neutral. If you are satisfied with that habit, then give it positive, and if you are not, then negative. And if it's like no problem but need to change, so you can give it a equal sign which is neutral. And if you can't remember about habits, it is a clear sign that the habit is automatic. So now chapter 5, the best way to start a new habit is implementation and intention rule. In this, James Clear gives us a formula which is like after I will here behavior, like I will do 10 push-up at that time in that location. Like if you write this, so our research says that people who write like this, they are more likely to follow the habits like 2x to 3x. Like you have to write that I will do 10 push-up at 7 p.m. in my bedroom. So if you write this, then you're doing chances 2 to 3x more. Now he talks about also habit stacking, like new habit, link new habit with current habit. Like if you link new habits, then it is become natural. After doing that current habit, you will do the new habit. Like after doing 10 push-up, I will drink 2 glass of water. So this is the way. Now it's chapter 6. It says that motivation is overrated, environment offer matters more. Like motivation, everyone goes for motivation, but your environment also matter. Like if you join a culture where people doing the things that you want to do, then you will automatically follow the habits. Like he talks about two things: make use obvious. Like if you want to drink water, place water bottle in every room so that you will see the bottle and drink it. And the second is one space one use. Like if you have a study table, then in the table you only have to study, not to sit there and scroll your social media app. Now he talks about the secret of self control. Like disciplined people are not better in temptation control, they just have structured their lives to avoid the temptation. Like if you can't get cue, there is no craving. Now it's chapter 7, the secret of self control. So James Clear says that first inverted law: to break bad habits, make it invisible, reduce exposure to cue. Like if you use too much phone, then make it invisible, get the phone out of your room or where you are staying. Practical experiences: spend less time in high temptation situation. If you like if you can't stop playing video games, then delete the games, or use password on your mobile which you are not used to. Now he also tells about the brain and cues. Like human brain does not evolve for constant cues, constant dopamine. Our ancient brain get hijacked by these type of cheap dopamine. Solution is to take control of your environment before it controls you. Now it's chapter 8, how to make a habit. Law to make it attractive. He tells about the dopamine spike. Habits are dopamine driven feedback loops. So dopamine don't just release when you get pleasure, but when you try or anticipate it. The temptation building, link action, like what you want to do with link with what you need to do. Like After I do my homework, I will play one chess game. Now, the role of your culture. He tells the three part. The first one is the close family and friends. We pick habit from our surrounding. Join a culture or place where your desired behavior is normal. Second is the many. The group we follow the norms. Like in the group, we follow the norms of group. So it is easy to do the habits you want. The third one is the powerful. We copy behavior from people we admire. Now it's chapter 9. The role of our friends and family in shaping our habits. Like if you want to change your habit, join a culture. Like in the culture, the habits you want, like the people are doing this habit normally, so if you see people doing this type of habit, you think it's achievable and you also start doing it daily. Now chapter 10, how to find and fix the causes of bad habit. He tells that every behavior has surface level craving and a deeper underlying motive. And here craving is scroll social media, and underlying motive is the desire to be filled, connected and linked. So if you want to quit, you have to reframe your habit, and it is change association. Like I need, if you say I need to exercise, instead you have to say I have to build strength and energy, and in this highlight benefit rather than drawback. Now he tells invert of second law, like make it unattractive what habit you don't want to do. Like playing so much game gives stress relief. Basically, it is not giving relief; it is just damaging our brain. Jai Hind. Now talking about my day, so today I have run 2 kilometer and again 3 kilometer of walk. Then went to his library and completed permutation part of permutation and combination chapter, and also studied noun in English, and took 2 lectures of geography, and that is it. Now I will complete my leg workout and then do take 1 or 2 lecture and then complete my day to do list. Jai Hind.